This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome home to this move-in ready Dawson classic model. This home features a primary ensuite with a dual vanity sink and a huge walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are on the opposite side of the primary bedroom and bathroom number 2. The laundry room is off to the right of the foyer before you enter the 2-car garage. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and an island. The builder offers a home warranty. The location of this home makes it perfect for a quick commute to the NC/VA line. Seller will provide some closing cost assistance with use of a preferred lender and settlement agent. December 4, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Old at 252-207-3435.